In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Squarespace account. Whether you're simply wanting to tidy up your online presence, or you're stepping away from the platform for other reasons, saying goodbye to your Squarespace account can be done swiftly and efficiently. Let's walk through the process together. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Squarespace website. This is the home for all your web building needs and where you likely spent some time creating beautiful web pages. Once you arrive at the main page, look out for the Get Started button. It's typically located prominently, inviting new users to start crafting their sites, but today, we're heading this way to move on from the account. Click on it to gain entry into your personal dashboard. Upon reaching your dashboard, which is essentially the control room for your Squarespace activities, you'll want to locate the Account Settings. This section is a hub for managing your personal settings, including options for billing, subscription details, and, the focus of our journey today, account modifications. It's usually found in a menu, perhaps under your profile picture or as an option on the side panel. Clicking on Account Settings will move you a step closer to deleting your account. Once you're in the account settings, you'll need to navigate to Account and Security. These options are vital for making significant changes to your account, such as updating passwords or securing your data. However, our goal today is singularly focused on account deletion. So, let's carry on and explore the options available in this section. Now that you're under Account and Security, you'll find the moment you've been heading towards, the option to Delete Account. Select this to proceed with the deletion process. It's worth pausing here to make sure you've saved any necessary data elsewhere, as deleting your account will remove your access to your sites and any associated content. If not, you might consider backing up any valuable information such as site content, visitor analytics, or important personal notes you've documented. Wrapping up the deletion process will typically involve verifying your request. This could mean entering your password one last time or responding to a confirmation email. This step ensures security and double-checks your intention to fully commit to the account deletion. And there you have it. Your Squarespace account is on its way to being closed. It's always smart to check your email for any final confirmations from Squarespace, just to be sure everything's been completed properly. Thank you for following along, and hopefully this has made the process silky smooth for you. If this video helped, consider leaving a comment below or connecting with us on our other videos.